Welcome to TCW Rumford. Let's go take a look inside and see what's going on. There's our director, Mr. Jason. Hi, Mr. Jason. Is he working hard or hardly working? In Toddler 2, we have a morning routine of matching our owls. Here we have Julian showing all of his friends that he is matching the black owls. Next we go to School Age to find out how they get along.
What do you do if you're not getting along?
Usually what I do, I just walk away, play something else.
We get along together because they both want to turn me into a frog.
The preschoolers love finding their name tags in the morning and being able to dance while the teachers greet them for the day.
Good job, friends.
The toddlers in Rumford also know you're never too young to help out a friend. In pre-K, we always play to learn, whether it be math, creative arts, or becoming engineers of the future. But the absolute best part of TCW is our dance parties. What a better way to practice your gross motor skills than dancing the day away.